If you are under the age of 18 and are watching this video, please stop now. This content was not intended for you.
Hey everybody, it's Tamika and I am here with another unboxing. I'm super excited to open this because I personally chose these items. This is from BB Crafts. I will list everything down below in the description box that's in this package here. So as I was saying, I personally selected these items because I want to do 2 projects and these were perfect for what I want to do. So I will be doing tutorials on those 2. My plan is to I'm going to upload the unboxing video and then one of those tutorials each week. So I'm excited. I'm trying something new, trying to get back in my paper mojo, but until then, we're going to be unboxing some stuff because I have to get done anyway. They're just sitting and I made a promise to get them out. So this is what we're going to do today. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I am going to share is some foils. These foils are so cute. They are hot foils. So if you have a hot foil machine, these will work perfectly, like the Mink or the Go Press. I know that the Amazon sale is coming up, so be sure to pick it up. Hot foils on projects are so cute, especially during Christmas time. So in this package, and everything is super inexpensive, so do check it out. Rose gold, and that you get a good amount. So you see this thickness here, not the white, but that thickness. You only need just a little foil, so that's a pretty good amount. And then we have like a pink rose gold, or a pink metallic, sort of. We have it in silver. I love this rainbow one, so pretty. Red, good for Christmas. There's a blue and a solid gold. So the length of these are 8 inches long. So yeah, lots of foil, hot foil, mania. I'm gonna love this. So we have that. Next is this roll of leather, faux leather in white. I know what you're thinking, what are you going to do with that? But I'm going to show you, not today, in one of the tutorials though. This is super, look at that. So nice. And the back is like a felt. And this is the entire roll that just keeps going and going. Look at the texture on that. Yeah, I'm gonna like this. So this is gonna be one of the projects that I do a tutorial on. I'm so excited to play with that. I know I didn't roll this the way that it should have rolled, but you got a lot of roll here. So enjoy. There were some other colors too, but I wanted to get white for the particular thing that I want to do. Next up, I know you're going to be like, what? But listen, I sew too, so these crafts are good. I haven't uploaded in a while, but I do have a video that I'm uploading now on my channel. That's so cute. I'll add the link down below. Oh, it's always added, but I do sewing. So this zipper roll, black, and you get, is it 10? You get the zippers as well. Oh no, it's more than 10. Oh gosh, so many. You get, so this is what they look like. Okay? And you get 20. 20 zippers. And again, they have this in white as well. But I usually make stuff that requires a black zipper, but so that's how it is. I don't know if you guys have ever had these kind. You just cut off what you need, stitch across, zip. So this will be really good on my sewing channel, which I am gonna upload a video for that I'm currently making. I'm almost done making it, so be sure to check it out. So I got that. Next, I have these belt buckles. Again, I know you're like, what? Got unique things. I have enough of the normal craft stuff, so I wanted to try some different things. So these were so cute, and I like the packaging because when I'm done, I could put these in clear bags and use this little box for a gift. So look how cute these are. They're is so little. You can use these on your closure pieces for your crafts, or you can use it on some leather. Just saying. So that will go in here. Boom. Put this under that way. And you can have a nice little closure piece, or you can use it on your sewing. So you get, let's see how many sets is in here. You get 8 sets. So 8 of the bands and 8 of the closures. These are so cute. And I think I saw these in black as well, I want to say. But yeah, can't wait to play with that. Okay, next up, I do have some, what do you call it? I was going to say wingdings, but that's not the name of it. Earring bits, accessories. I don't know. Nice little box. And these are just the earring parts. You get a whole lot. I'm not going to count. You get a whole lot. So this is what they look like. You can make little earring dangles. If you're nosy or you're intuitive, you can probably guess one of the projects. If you do know, leave it down below. I want to see what you think I'm going to make. What am I going to make with some of this stuff? Let me know. All right. And then we have this. I honestly forgot what this was. What is this? I don't know. But we will find out together. So packaged in. Did I get Teflon sheets? I do need Teflon sheets. Because I be pressing. I be heat pressing. A lot. Lord child, I didn't forget what it is. This is, okay. This is like brushed suede material. Is the back adhesive? I want to guess. I chose adhesive backs. Let me see. They are adhesive. So this is like a brushed suede. So it's black, camel, brown, chocolate, brown, gray. They're all adhesive. It's another color brown, darker camel, and a lighter gray. So like I said, all of these are adhesive, and they're brushed suede. So I just remembered what I was going to do with this. Like in my head while I'm showing you guys this, I'm like, what did I plan to do with this? Because when I'm contacted by sponsors that I agree to collaborate with, I choose with a project in mind. So I'll go through everything, and then I'm like, okay, I can use this, and I write it down. But I don't have my notebook with me right now. So, but I just remembered what I was going to do with this. So excited about that. So that's it. We have the brushed suede, and these are 12. Let's see. These are 8 by 12. So that's a nice bargain. We have the closures, the belt buckle closures, findings. That's the word I was looking for. Earring findings. We have the heat foil, love. The zipper with the 20 zipper strips and zipper. And the white faux leather. So I will have all of these linked down below in the description box with any discount codes that I have. Do check out my other channel. That's so cute. And be sure to check out BB's Crafts for these items and more on the website. All right. If you like what you see, please take a second and hit that like button. Let me know what you think down in the comments as to what you would make or what you think I'm going to make with these items. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Go through my channel, go through my playlist, and if it's a fit for you, please consider hitting that button as well. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.